Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to unarchive message in Messenger. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you gotta do is simply tap on the Messenger app, and once you are here, simply tap on the three lines on the left hand side and simply tap on the archive menu option. Once you're here, you can select any of the messages and hold it, then tap on the unarchive option. So once you tap on the unarchive option, the chat box or the message will now be unarchived and will get removed from the list of archives. So this is how you unarchive a message in your Messenger app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.